Susan. Today I'm participating in the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge, and we're on week 26. We are halfway through the challenge for this year. And our prompts for this week is an umbrella or a parasol, something edible. I've got the lemons, something yellow or orange, which is the lemons in this lady's dress. A piece of clothing, I've got this skirt, and of course she's got her dress. Something that moves or flows, and I've got this skirt, and I'll have something else. And the bonus is a fingerprint. So I have got my oxide, and I'm going to try to do little bumblebees, which moves and flows as well. So I hope everybody's doing great, and without further ado, let's get started. All right, I think I'm going to put down a background of just some book page and music paper, just something to give a little bit more interest. And let's see here. I'll do this. Maybe something like that. Like that. Okay. Put that down. I think I will go around the edge with some vintage photo. I've already inked my other items in my outside of this page, but I just kind of tear that off a little bit. Give this a little distinction. That's not a whole lot going on here. We're doing pretty good. It's just so hot. We have been under a heat advisory. My husband was weed eating yesterday, and he liked to He didn't get finished. He's doing the weeding in the cemetery. We live in a parsonage, and he cuts the grass and everything for the church as well. And it was brutal out there. He was going to try to do it all, and he ended up with a pounding headache. So maybe I want to flip it around. Yeah, I think I like that better. Okay, so let's get this down. Get my glue stick. Yeah, the heat in Mississippi is no laughing matter because it is so humid. And we've even been getting up in the 3 digits. And the heat index is something. Been getting, a little bit of rain. It's really been a wet spring and summer so far. We'll probably be begging for more later on. Let's see here. Go up just a little bit. There we go. We'll go over. There we go. All right. So she's going to be a little bit too tall. But we can cut off her legs. I hate to do that to the poor lady. We can have the dress or skirt and the parasol. Something like that. We just started season 8 of Blacklist, and I am on season 4 of The Crown. It's been really good. Okay. Now, let's see, the parasol or umbrella and the item of clothing. Haven't been reading much. Nothing's just struck my interest lately. I've tried a couple of books. I just haven't gotten very far into them. I probably need to go to something I've already read and know that I like. But you don't learn, find new authors when you do that. But at the same time, it's so hard when you keep trying to, find a book and you're not successful. All right. I'm going to try to do these little fingerprint bees. I think 3 would be good. Okay. See if I can do this. Used to do this in daycare. Do my little babies' fingerprint, and parents loved it. Cute. Here we go. Something was missing. One more. Cute. Okay. Let's see if I can go around her. Oops. I'm going to do it somewhere, aren't I? Go. I am liking how that looks. And do the skirt. and the umbrella. Now, these 3 items came out of one of my collage suits. One was a book, the other 2 were the digitals from my mom. I've really enjoyed that website. They give lots of freebies, and they'll for the digitals you end up getting, like, for a lot of them for $1.99, and of course you've got those you'd pay more for, but it's still cheaper than the book. And since I end up having to copy them anyway because of the front and back, it doesn't bother me a bit. All right, let's see what I can do to embellish this just a little bit more. Add a little mark making. And I believe I'll go with a little bit of gold paint. Something over her face. Find my brush and my water. Alrighty then. I am going to call that one done. I can get that off. All right. Let's see. We have got our umbrella parasol, something edible, something yellow or orange, a piece of clothing, something that moves or flows, and a fingerprint. So, I hope everybody enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. And leave a comment. All of this helps my channel to grow, and I appreciate it so much. Y'all take care. I love you. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel. And be sure and check out the hashtag 2025 CWP26. So until next time, bye y'all.